Okay, I'm going to start from the top again. Let's go my student account and say you want to make a pass and now you'd like to set some favorites. So your choices are now pass, appointment pass. This is departing from. So if you want to add favorites here, you can just simply add favorites. If you want to come down here and you want to have destination favorites, you can add them right here. You can add them by either doing the plus sign or you can go up and edit your favorites. So let's just go ahead and do the plus sign, and you're going to need your location. So in this case, I'm just simply going to type restroom, and from there, give it a second, and it will pull up all the locations. Let's say that I know that I need to go to the girls' restroom in 217. Is that actual number? Let's say I know that I like to go to the other restroom and have that available. So I'm going to go to 229. And let's say that I just really love the library because it's a cool place. And so I'm going to pick that. So those are all favorites that should then show up in my profile. Click the blue button, submit. It will add them to your favorites for destination. Now, let's say you'd like to edit this. You're like, I don't really care about these. Click up here and you're going to want to edit. So click the pencil. You can add and remove your favorites, or you can just manage your order. So let's manage the order. Let's say that I really love the library the most. Come down here and click and kind of hover on it, and you literally are dragging it to the top. And now the library will show up first. Then let's say that you really like, I don't know, restroom 229, and you want to move that up. You can then submit, and from there, they are now your top 3 favorites. After that,